Hey YouTubers! Welcome back to Southwest Desert Farming with Michael and Stacey. I'm Michael, and Stacey, she's inside doing some cooking. Anyways, I thought I'd get out in the southwest wind, as it is windy and an east wind. It's a little bit chilly. So here I'll show these fancy handy dandy paper holders, what most of us call toilet paper tubes. Where I work, there's a lot of toilet paper being used, but anyways, so I collect these, and what I do with them is cut them in half so that I can pack them with some compost mixed with sawdust, which I have plenty here from my planer and doing some shelves and whatnot, at a ratio about 50 to 50. My compost, which I have here, is all organic stuff from the farm that we've had, and I'll show you here. It's from last season. It's sifted out, and you can see those barrels there. They are the white food grade water barrels, which I don't think it really matters that much. And what I do is I cut the tops off. Here's one here that I have not finished yet. I'll have to shave this edge off here to about right there, and then it works very nice as a lid. So, as I was saying, I got these toilet paper tubes here that I cut in half, and I'll show you right here. I measured them, got marks on them with pencil mark, and then I use this and I stick it in, and then I will use a utility knife to safely slice these, and thus get my little half toilet paper tubes to be used as a seed starter. So I'll pack it in lightly, and one of the keys that I have heard from other farmers is you want to be consistent in a lot of your practices, so that way if something doesn't work, at least you know what to change to get it there. So what I'm doing with these right now, this is the first season that I'm doing it. I've been meaning to do it for years, but this way I'm packing it a certain way. I'll fill it up upside down, finger pack it once, pack it flat, flip it back over, and then pack it a little bit more, so that you can see it's not real hard. But with this 50-50 mixture, I also mixed it with some Dawn to get it to where it clumps about like that, but it's still loose, which for your seedlings you want it to be able to pack good enough to hold moisture, and then the roots get started easily. So anyways, I'm going to do that. The tin that I used was actually from Thanksgiving. We all know we use those and we love to throw them away, but I just couldn't stand throwing them away, and my idea was I could use those and I can carry around my little seed pods and without causing the soil to fall out, and move them around, move them to the sunlight to see what's going to work, what doesn't work, things like that. So we washed them and saved the tins from Thanksgiving. Anyways, you send me a note, tell me what you all do, if you do it, and let me know what I'm doing right, wrong, indifferent. We could share some stuff, learn some things together, and enjoy farming and trying to be a good homestead and get us some good eating. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. I will let you know with probably some short video of the seeds and how they do, and the process later on as we get going. Leave a comment, subscribe. See you next time.